Alicia and welcome back to my channel. How are you today? Today the topic is about how to say how are you in Spanish. Let's get started. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo can be translated to how. And estás comes from estar verb. Let's see what estar verb is.
Estar verb means to be in English, but the difference between verb said is that estar verb indicates more temporary states. Yo estoy, I am. Tú estás, you in singular, you are. Él, ella, he, she is. Ustedes. Or you are in formal way. Nosotros, nosotras. Estamos, we are. Vosotros, vosotras estáis. You are in plural. Ellos, ellas están. They are.
For example, if you want to say to many people, like, how are you guys? It can be changed to ¿Cómo estáis? You just need to change estar verb. Let's repeat with me. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal can be translated to what's up? It's a little more informal way to say how are you in Spanish, but Spanish people don't care about it and you can even use to a stranger. Let's repeat with me. ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué pasa? What's happening? Are you okay? You can use ¿qué pasa right after saying hola. Let's repeat with me. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? Then now let's check with me, how do you answer for how are you? There are a lot of answers can be, but the most general one is to say bien, which means good. Or you can say very good, muy bien. Más o menos, so-so, mal, bad. Or you can also even use estar verb again. For example, if I want to say I'm tired, estoy tired, cansada. Because I'm a girl, so I need to use cansada instead of cansado. Estoy cansada. Alright everyone, so today we've learned how to say how are you and how to answer for how are you. Hope this video is useful to you, and if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Ciao!